Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add flame eyes effect on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the body effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see hardware and then click on it. And after this, in here you can see flame eyes. You can click on it. And now you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the color, for the range, for the speed, and for the intensity, or for the filter. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add flame eyes effect on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.